In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build an automated social media copy drafter in Hermes Agent. First, open the Hermes Agent desktop application and log into your account. To create your automated copy drafting agent, go to the main screen and use the input box that says "Give Hermes a task" or "Ask anything." Next, type a clear instruction describing what you want the agent to do. For example, tell Hermes to act as a social media copywriter that generates captions, hashtags, and short-form posts from a topic or product description. Once you submit the prompt, Hermes will automatically spawn a sub-agent in the background. This sub-agent is essentially your automated copy drafter, built instantly from your instructions. To monitor it, click on the Agents tab to open the spawn tree. Here you can see your sub-agent activity. If nothing is currently running, it will show no live sub-agents. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.